Yeah. Meantime, no have only for bad juice. You know, you want 6 or 7. This up to whatever. Marcy, Auntie, just taking care of Queenie alone. Queenie alone.
Start from a long time should up on life. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? The Lord is morning riot crazes. The Lord is my strength and my redeemer. Of who shall I be afraid? When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. I'm glad to see God. Whoa, them not like me. Whoa, me a Queenie. Whoa, me no miney. Up and thankful. God is not dead, he's alive. Amari, why you kiss me to take away my spirit? You said no one can take, they can take my money, they can take my car, they can take my man, but they can't take my spirit. So why you contradicting yourself? So you have to kiss me and take my spirit. So all the rest I kiss them when I'm doing in my life, my spirit never gone, and one little chops. So I'm glad your mouth did smell good. You're tall in a real life, Amar. Why you hating? First to begin with, glam by O'Neill. If me not cow bum boy, I'm doing my makeup. Any hours me go and me up at Waterloo. Not on stage makeup. Don't grudge me for me, Amari. Appreciate me. You know you want to stretch my pussy tongue like elastic band, Amari.
Somebody said Queenie, you're pregnant.
Talk the truth, Mari. Why you being jealous of me and Artie? You and Artie have a different relationship than me, Mari. Why you being like that? You exalt me many times on stage and I don't pay you any mind, Mari. You know what you're doing. Why did you kiss me? You think you can take my soul? My spirit? You think you can take my heart, soul, and my blood clot, battle, and my fat pussy? You saw this fat? So my pussy clean and blood clot fat and I look up in that. Yeah. You want to wiggle that tongue that you wiggle on RT, you wiggle your tongue? I don't want no worm tongue in my punani. I'm scared, Mari. Mari! I'm scared. I don't want to, Mari. I don't want. So don't get jealous, yeah? RT pay you £300 already. And because you get jealous, him say, I get another 3. So, if you did keep your little self steady, maybe you'd get 6. And then maybe would have put another 3 but it make 9. 3 is 9, because 3 is my lucky number. With all of this embarrassment after we make peace by on stage in the eyes of Winford Williams. Winford Williams, big up your damn self. All of these, me don't need no animosity from you, and not even for seminar need, kind of where your blood clot need in a life to get. RT Bass, big up your damn self. Listen to me now, Mona Lisa. Can't compare with the queen. Top trending, top stream. Grab your wig and dash it on a girl sleeve. You choose the wrong destiny. Our pink hair never clean. Dirty bungle. You know, see me at plus tax me no broke like. Remember when you had to take credibility for Ben. Ooh. The first blood clot impression last. Me. Yvette. Portsmouth. RT. Bar so them crew drive come. Come look for me. In a little Calvin Klein short set where Yvette buy for me. I tell Yvette, say, Yvette don't buy me any clothes. And she said, crazy. I show my friend come down here. With the time I take it for you, come and say to that fit you. Yvette buy me that short set there. This will go viral. He's a copy blood clad follow back. Butler, follow back on me. Follow back. Come follow back a blood clot. Me you go put on 2-piece. Because you saw me in 2-piece. So you went short 2-piece in your drawers. But I was wearing a 2-piece shorts. And that's where Ben first recognized by Queen Lady Gangster. So when you're your boss, blood clot, RT boss, Amari, not Amari. Queenie started it. I put that on the fucking map. Right out of Fvck get when me itch up on RT bus. Ben, your blood clots back. Are you pussy that Ben? When last you fuck Amari, you take long for fuck more than blood clot. Me no fuck from September. When last you fuck? From the 19th of October, August, when me get the thump. Let me talk to you. When last you fuck Mary? Come go with my hand to you, Mary. Your pussy is on for my pussy. I don't want to rub any crutches with you though, Mary. I don't want... Mary, ever rub crutches yet? Me no like when girl rub my blood clot crutches. Cause me do dry blood clot bumper and you have two bumper clot bone right chest. And when them are one, cause remember them don't have no cocky and them can't put no blood clot dildo in me. May you talk. What you want? My tongue? Like how you put your tongue in a RT ears. What do you want? Cause me not give my blood clot tongue in a girl have to tongue me. Talk to me. You have to take your tongue, make sure long it out. When you long it out, make sure it's stiff. It have to be upon 3 stiff. Cause my pussy fat, you know. I have a big fat clit. It's yours, Mari. Yeah? So, make up your mind where you want to. Yeah, war for me, yeah, war for RT. What's the story? What you in about, Mari? Who you want to pick? Me or RT you want it to? You can't manage it to away. Yeah, from August the 19th. From August. Queenie, you're pregnant. What I ask me? The poor neighbor, them. What poor fucking neighbors? So because of neighbors, I'm not allowed to have freedom of speech to express my vocabulary. Where were they? I don't know, because going to blood clot, big words through there and talk them all and I don't know what them mean. Well, marry them. Marry. Me give 3 bills. 30,000 Jamaican dollars. Stop disgrace not for 30,000, marry. Me not do it in a new year, marry. You understand me? Me not do it this year. I swear down. I don't want to. I want to be so progressive. I want to be so upright. I want to be so optimistic. You know what does that mean? Look on the bright side of life, which I thought I always do, but my new year, I set plant my seed, January, February, March, I start to reap. Mary, I tell you, the exile from me on stage, I'm just laugh. It's them say humble calves the most smell. Whether you're a mac or you're a scock, it no matter to me. I take care as you are. You hate me today, I hate you today too. If you love me today, I love you tomorrow. And I love you today. But the reality of it, I am a pure loving soul. So at the end of a good day, Amari, you come, you insult me about my clothes on stage. I tell you, say, my old broke at 800 pounds. I don't wear cheap clothes, Mary. I wear blood clot cheap clothes. I girl, me not busy that you want to wear cheap clothes. Me not wear them, eh? Bush! With that jacket in Jamaica, I say blood clot, this a girl I answer till she bring on the winter Jamaica. Everybody do that one thing, Mary. I no blood clot. Love me, I leave that alone, girl. You understand me? Because if I for discriminate, I'm going to tell you, say your daughter and you beg my friend, my soldier them drink. And then buy a drink right at the stall right in front on stage. So you whole host drink, Mari. You understand me? Your 2 thick daughter them nice. Them a twin. Behave yourself, Mari. Me not even know say she have so much. Me say she have pity them. Me tell the pity them, they fly out. You pretty damn sweet. Give a little blood clot self, because you know my mouth full of blood clot filter. Your one filthy. Behave yourself. We not got it. So Destiny nice and slim and favor mama. Then you have 2 thick daughter. We have a little pretty son. Nice. I mean, so wow, our family is so sturdy and nice. Give a little blood clot self and leave me alone, man. And stop telling about the difference with me and you now. You see, if RT owe me something, RT after payment, he's gonna pay me eventually, because he's a man of pride and him extra and bossy. But the way him there Jamaica man have a blood clot, but he must work by now. So if him promise me £300 or 3 million, which is bonus, me taking consideration what he done before. Everyone is different, Amari. RT money must blood clot, don't know. RT just a show up, motherfucker, with a ban, quit it. Must pay my blood clot money for me song them pay. Me I go to lots and I spend. Me say, yeah man, make sure me get mine and my soldier them get them pay, you know. Me nice. You understand me? So you're there in a competition with me. Me not do competition in a Amari. I hear pass on stage. I don't need to watch on stage. You know? Oh, Queen is not collaborating it with anyone. It's what you just swell up my head. Nice. I should talk good enough. Amari, you're so nice. See in a real life, like my speak, my feel a spirit, I could have deal, I could have act, I could have stay relevant. You love me. You're obsessed with me. I'm your heart, soul, and body, old Amari. You understand me? Amari, I know you not trigger me off. You see through my mouth full of blood, clot, germs, and corruption. Why I throw some of my germs and the corruption pipe. But really, it don't matter to me, Amari. You do not matter to me. You come on stage, come some RT boss buy my clothes and buy my ticket. Me's a bougie fucking bitch RT. Amari. Me not beg. Me not walk and cuss the people things. All if them blood clot promise me, them fuck with me, Amari. So me's a different shit. Me's a ash shit, a cow shit. Me's a goat blood clot shit, a donkey shit. Me's a bird shit. Any blood clot shit. But you see my pride and my dignity, me rely upon me. So you see Sting never buy me no ticket. Me have my mother at Jamaica. And all when she no blood clot want see me down there, she can't stop me from coming here. She say, if a people doing that, I say, Mom! And she say, girl, stop calling up my name. That's my legend. I'm married, me not have no time for you. Me there Jamaica take care of my blood clot, put them interests. I furniture out, me put them house. You hear that? Me not have no blood clot time. Me I spend my hard-earned one. So you the one said I grudge me Amari. And the millions of me down here blood clot spend me I talk about Amari. Wherever you have to spend a blood clot that I may set a foundation for my kids them. Me not have no time for this Amari. A good better blood clot best. A Grammy me I go for forever with dead and gone. And the fittest blood clot survive Amari. You did it like a headless blood clot chicken because you won a competition. There's no comparisons to the Queen. You want that $300? I'll fucking give you. Me gonna the dead girl bank account go try it and get because money still in that blood clot. Fuck me, Amari. Me no walk on blood clot anchor. Me dig dirt with my finger to make 60 blood clot dollar England. Yesterday me I talk about it. When I'm pregnant with my son, I just got blood clot England and bad poor. No pussy test. Oh, I'm telling you. My top girl, hot girl, never flat blood clot girl. If my broke today, my picking them off the blood clots, mind me. You may always tell her to mind me, my kids. Me no rely upon no blood clot by the Misted Foundation. So see you with your cantankerous spirit, Amari. Make me you do a song. That me tell up on stage. You come across my boy Nicky and Lion. How I knew it, Nicky would never go on a song with you. Fuck you and Nicky. Nicky come and empower me. And that's all matter. So all the blood clot Lion with she blood clot promise. The vice note what she promise what she send. You sit and you observe. So Nicky come from my life. Nicky come from my life when I was broken as a top blood clot girl. I empower me. And the world loved that. And I take it and I make it to you. So my girl power, Amari. Which woman you say, oh, they're music artists are empower woman. You are empower woman? Come lick up my blood clot bottle and take 2 straws and put in there and bubble it up and blow some bubbles in my blood clot bottle, Amari. I want to blood clot you. You see, I grudge. Nicky make because I don't want to cuss. So, I don't make a promise to myself, and I'm not going to draw me out. Maybe after March, January, February, March, 3 months. If I have after that, may I hold my peace. But listen to me, Amari. You're so confucius within your whole fucking spirit, your soul, and your body all. That you come on stage to attack me about Nicki Minaj lion. Me look like me care about blood clot lion to your girl. Me am my own lion. Ah! You never saw me reign as a fucking queen always a roar. Me am my own lion. Me not depend on blood clot girl, man or blood clot child. We come talk about Nicki never said me lion. The talk when Nicki talk to me, I'm take it as splice and turn in a one blood clot song. That's all the lion. Big up Nicki and her fucking ball. If she never remember me after that, she acknowledge me. I see that? That's fucking priceless. You can't corrupt me, Amari. You can't corrupt me about and Nicki said the credit card. I don't care about Nicki and her fucking credit card. I'm just glad she did come from my life when I was at a point where she could have empower me. Girl, blood clot power. Me say, move your bad, hungry belly blood clot, Amari. You did that walk, attack. Go look some blood clot bookings to the man. Go. What me I walking out? What the fuck you think me I do? You have RT and live in England. Why you never capitalize what RT is? RT is a business blood clot, man. And him know some money make money. And him know my value and my word. Me not come to Jamaica for run up and down a party. I come to Jamaica because I do business here. So I come and I said, Archie, I'm not going anywhere unless they pay me. And him come back and say, Queenie, I never beg your blood clot boss nothing. Him sister is a hot girl, top girl, never flop. Girl and him want him song for promote. Me not go promote my song. Artists, Ben. Every girl bend your blood clot back. Go Amari, hungry a blood clot come lick off the sweat them off of my face. Like if I did ever see you lick off RTE, I should have see you. Me never see you. Wait till when my back turn. I should have kick up your pussy clot. I want to you, girl. You never tell me the man kneel long boy. Kick RT. And me, my ring. RT can't give me blood clot ring. I'm married. I kick him. And I box. So I bring disgrace. I'm married. What? Wait your terms. If one man you give one ring by your blood clot self one and kneel down to yourself. You understand me? Me not even see the ring good. As me not if me like I said, Queenie, may I mark you over your marriage. Me not if me like I say that friendship. Me not if me like I say I with the on stage. You box the man. You understand? I'm a find her amazing, you know. So fucking tired. Amari, I'm not gonna make you corrupt, my baby. Ben. Me not make you corrupt me, you know. RT can't fuck me. That me I tell you, you RT for fuck. All if RT love my breath and him could have watched him so till him now blood clot touch them and him now suck them. I hear your breath. Are you look at RT ears now? Ooh. Me think I want threesome you want. I don't RT never wash him ears. They both does. You know, say, she love her RT. You don't know her, but leave me alone, girl. RT is so pregnant. Remember, RT the same fuck me. The man when me and my cousin, don't mind blood clot. RT can't thank her, so I say, I'm already doing something. Because RT the past days I chat some Chinese something. And here Amari, I know what he said. Hear me like, why is that true? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not, you don't know what I'm saying. And I'm like, what them two clown here? None of them don't know what I'm saying. Chinese, you know. But really, for fact, Amari, baby, look at her. Can't drive me up, girl. It's a song. I'm a pussy tongue. You want sling, like slingshot. You know slingshot where them use and cling up bird out a tree? You nah get my pussy is not bingy. My pussy don't fly like bingy kite. What your name? Hear that? Relax yourself. Leave me alone. I want them two older man. I make we sing a song like a wait, you know? Like how Jada kid down and hey, Mary, I idiot still in a girl. Amari. right now, Valant and TJ at it. Hmm? Let's just go fucking at it then, girl. Go with the fucking studio. Can't remember me sing at plus taxi already, you know. So I used to do something now and then, but add some. You know, see, but at plus taxi, you broke like Croft the Queen. You broke like Croft. I know you can't buy for people money, man. Listen to my song, 'cause you don't know it. Listen when me sing for after me win Sting 2022. You know, see me at plus tax, me no broke like Croft the Queen, no pay tax. Some girl love chat, then come on stage and feel for riff-raff, riff-raff. She want to tear off my frock. Amari run out, but I me win the clash. She meet her match. It's not physical, it's a music clash. Read your watch, you know, see your time up. Some dusty body girl, affect me sign up. Me win the clash and everybody say her too. She come and sing and forget her tune. Get a hold of yourself and do size up me boom blood clot. Amari, get a hold of yourself and don't